Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can turn off a low battery notification on your iPhone. So select automation here and you're going to select the plus button on the right side. Create personal automation. Scroll down until you find battery level. Select it and you're going to place this to 20% and you're going to select the equals to 20%. And then you are going to select next. Select add action. Okay, type in like low power mode and select it. And you're just going to press next and press done. And that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and leave it in the comment section down below and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. Also, don't select ask before running, so just press done. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching this video. Bye.